Hello everyone. Welcome to today's instructional video. In this video, we will be learning how to reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. The expression we will be working with is the quantity x squared plus 10x plus 21, all divided by the quantity x plus 7. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify this expression completely. Let's get started. To reduce the rational expression x squared plus 10x plus 21 over x plus 7 to its lowest terms, we start by examining the numerator, which is x squared plus 10x plus 21. First, we identify that we need to factor this quadratic expression. Our goal is to rewrite x squared plus 10x plus 21 as a product of two binomials. Let's focus on finding two numbers that multiply to 21 and add up to 10. Remember, 21 is the constant term and 10 is the coefficient of the x term in the quadratic expression. After considering the factors, we find that 7 and 3 are the right numbers. 7 times 3 equals 21, and 7 plus 3 equals 10. Therefore, we can rewrite the expression x squared plus 10x plus 21 as x plus 7 times x plus 3. Now, our rational expression becomes x plus 7 times x plus 3 over x plus 7. At this point, our rational expression is x plus 7 times x plus 3 over x plus 7. We observe that the factor x plus 7 appears both in the numerator and the denominator. When the same factor appears in both the numerator and the denominator of a rational expression, we can cancel them out because any number divided by itself is 1. By canceling x plus 7 from both the numerator and the denominator, we are left with x plus 3. Therefore, the simplified form of the rational expression is x plus 3. This is the final step. So the reduced form of x squared plus 10x plus 21 over x plus 7 is simply x plus 3.